Sarah, what are you doing? Okay. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new, beautiful day here. I am saying it's a brand new, beautiful day without even seeing outside. You know why it's a beautiful day? Because I am up and alive and it's taking care of my fam bam. You guys, I am here about to have my happy juice. There goes my happy juice with my sexy self. Tyler is having his happy juice too. Say morning, Ty.
What one?
What you drinking?
Green juice.
Green juice. And my happy juices consist, if you're new to my channel, my happy juice is cucumber, celery, apple, ginger, lemon.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Ty?
You're crazy. You know why? You're crazy because you're calling me happy.
Yes, my happy juice because it makes me happy. Anyway, you guys, he's too funny.
No, it's not me that's too funny, it's you.
Okay, I am too funny. Can you hurry up and eat up and drink so we can go? Don't mess your shirt up. So I'm cruise controlling this morning because I have time in advance. Babe head out to work. Babe is working out of town today. So baby's going to work. So I'm just getting the kids ready. Sarah is awake. Already have her bottle and is on the potty. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whatever it is that you are about to do today, do it with grace. Do it with a little smile on your face. Say one thing kind to somebody because kindness go a long way and it's been understood even by the blind. I learned that in Tyler's book, that quote, and I love it. What do you learn about kindness? What do you remember about kindness?
I remember that if we see old people in the neighborhood, we need to ask them if they need help.
Very good. Very good. All right, you're going to have a good day at school, right?
Yeah.
Are you going to do all the right things that Mama teach you to do? Answer my question.
Okay, Mama, but excuse me.
I hear Sarah coming. You finished? Hi. Hi. Say cuckoo. Say cuckoo. You pee-pee? Come. Let's see if you pee-pee. Tyler, sit. What's in the potty? She pee-pee. So you guys, I had to run from you guys because I heard Sarah running, coming in the hallway. And I know I left her on the potty, but when I went around there, she pee-pee. So because she pee-pee, she got up and ran to me. So my girl did in the potty this morning. That's a good start to the day. Tell Faith bye-bye, heading to school.
Bye-bye.
Let me see your mouth. All right, go put on your bag. You put your mask in the bag? Ty, put the mask in the bag, please. Hey, you. Who pee in the potty? Sarah pee in the potty. Potty, potty, potty.
Hey! Potty, potty. I need to carry up the
Go put it back in the room.
What?
Where does the pee go? In the? Pee goes in the potty. Pee goes in the potty. The caca goes in the
Potty.
pee goes in the
Potty.
the caca goes in the
Potty.
yay! Wow! Who pee in the? Sarah pee in the potty. Good girl. Anyway, you guys, I am heading out right now to drop my boy to school, so I'll catch you guys in a bit when I head back and get my workout in. I have been home cleaning all day and finally finished and have a few minutes to relax before I go pick up my boy from school. But man, who just like a nice Friday clean house? I'm sure I'm not the only one who, when the weekend touches, you just have to clean like you haven't cleaned the entire week. And I'm like that. I normally do it on a Thursday or on a Friday. And today is Friday and I did it today. So that's what I've been up to all day with cross potty training Sarah. We're still on that journey. She's actually taking a nap right now. Oh, update on my camera, you guys. The camera came back from the company that we purchased it from, and of course we both know that it couldn't fix, but they had to go through a process in order to give me a code to give to the insurance. So we got all of that, and the insurance now have the final paper to where they will tell us what will be the next step, which I think it will be refunding us some of the money so that we can get a new camera. They said within 2 to 3 days. So hopefully by next week I'll be able to purchase a new camera. So yeah, that's the update on my camera. Right now I'm just going to relax a bit until I go pick up my boy. Hopefully you guys are having a good weekend, or whenever you guys are watching this, you had a good weekend or you're having a good day. Look what I have to stop in the hallway for her to do, to jump, and look at who's coming.
Papa, tu vois les feuilles quand tu as une rose? Tu vois les feuilles quand tu as une rose? C'est la première fois que c'est plus tard. Tu sais, à plus de 6 ans, c'était.
Bisous.
En plus, sur la feuille, il avait écrit bravo les femmes. Sur la feuille, il avait écrit bravo les femmes.
You just switch? So
We're stuck in the garden, and then she's here jumping.
To relax, to sit down.
They're ready to go inside now. Right now on a Friday like this, I mean they're Jamaica. Me know for a fact so they're gonna have some jerk chicken, leg and thigh with enough pepper and a piece of hard-boiled bread and some of Miss Mary pepper pot soup. Oh God. Wanna serve for me? I mean, I don't know when me I go to Jamaica. I don't know when I'm going to Jamaica. But honestly, I would look forward to my Fridays in Jamaica. My Fridays and my Sundays, because on a Friday I know I'm going to have jerk chicken and some hard-boiled bread, and on a Sunday I would look forward to just dress up in the evening, go to mall, Portmore Mall, and buy me a nice Sunday ice cream at Mother's. Oh my God. I miss those little things. If y'all are Jamaicans, if you guys are Jamaicans and you move from Jamaica and you don't miss Jamaica, then trust me, you're not Jamaican. Just the food alone, just the sounds in the sound in the street is just, my God. I just want to go walk downtown right now. Just go down. I miss home. I miss me yard. Hey, I had a 2-leg quarter me buy tonight, you know. If me the home, you know. Not just 1, 2 leg and time I want. Enough pepper that short pan it. Real pan jerk me I tell you about. What not sorry for me? Why? Alright, me don't know. She said she coming Papa here. Come here. Honey, hold her. Hold her, honey. Hold her foot. Sarah, what are you doing? Okay.
Allez. Oui, oui, ah. Ça fait mal, hein?
Thanks.
Bisous.
You finished coming, Papa, here? Good girl. Yeah, lick out your clot.
Bravo!
Oh! Sarah, you're combing this here like a real Jamaican mom. Oh my God. Honey, hold our foot. Alright, you guys. Bedtime wrapping up for the kiddos. Cleaning up your room. It's okay, it's okay. Leave her. Just pack up.
I only leaving her with this book.
Okay. Come, man, hurry up. You're both going to bed right now.
Wait. Say books.
Sarah, come and pack up your room. Tyler, leave her and pack up your room, please. You can do that after. One time. Make sure when I come back around here, you're finished. Look at Missy. She take couch and book. Tell her book she gone for now. Look at her. Oh no, she went for a ball. Tell her, I'm sorry, it's night. Time for bed. You guys, look at babe.
Keep the street with Papa.
I can't breathe.
Ta chambre elle est rangée? Tu vas à la prison? Range ta chambre sinon tu vas en prison.
Tell her that if he don't pack up his room, he's going to
Range ta
prison.
chambre tout de suite.
Mais c'est une police, moi.
Non, t'es pas police toi, tu ranges tout d'abord. Hein?
C'est une police, moi.
Range.
C'est une police. C'est une police, moi.
Allez.
They had to only hold her head up.
Allez.
C'est une fausse police, toi. C'est pas la police.
Turn around, let me see you, babe. No, leave that on.
C'est un faux police.
Allez, range ça.
Ooh, I can't breathe. No, sir. A real drama in this house, yeah. Sarah in the midst of everything. Look at her. She's Santa right now in the middle of summer. That's your button?
Yeah.
You fit you.
Yeah, I'm gonna slap you.
So.
Slap you with that. Allez, range-moi tout à l'heure.
You're a hot mess.
Appelle-lui.
Putain, il a dit au moins 10 verres.
Non, je me rappelle.
C'est night
il
night.
avait
C'est
dit
bye bye.
4 verres.
C'est
Je
tomorrow.
me rappelle, il avait dit 4
Tomorrow. You singing for them tonight? Oh! Boo! Oh Lord, is she gonna stick out my eye? Lord have mercy, Jesus. Boo! 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 Sorry, you can take your hand off my eye, please. Thank you. Boo!
Boo.
Till face night night. Give them kisses. Mwah. Give them kisses. Mwah. Good girl.
They don't pay me for that, but I still.
Cheers to the weekend. Drink to that. Yeah. What you drinking, honey? Any more leaving it?
Yeah.
About 2 more glass?
About, sometimes the bottle feel like it's almost empty, but then so much come out. So I think it's around here. I think like 2 glass.
Alright, go and come back.
You believe it was for you?
But Jesus have mercy, God.
You have 2 TT, I have 2 glass. Yes. You don't share, I don't too.
I can't with you. You're a hot mess.
Pitch.
What are you looking for?
Pitch.
What peach?
Pitch.
Peach with Baileys.
What is that?
I would eat some pistachio. Some peanuts around here. Carry some come. You guys, we're having a nice little date night.
Yes.
We. Don't give me the bag, you know, because me going to finish it. So better you throw some out in something.
Hi guys. Why you look like what?
If you let me go clean the camera.
What you did to the camera?
It's very blurry.
What you
That's
did?
better.
That's much better. Yeah, put it in your mouth.
No,
Make it
I
blurry.
didn't. Babe, look at my eyes. I want to slurp.
Hi guys. Good morning. Good
Why are you
afternoon.
whispering? They can't hear.
I can't speak without you cutting me. This woman. You think it's easy living with her?
No,
Not at all. Not at all.
that's not a new discovery.
It's a
They all know
daily
that.
challenge. You know, you have some daily challenge. That's my daily challenge. It's a daily challenge.
They all know that.
Yeah. But they need to know. Like the new subscriber need to know.
Hi guys,
It's a
welcome to our
daily
channel. It's a daily challenge for my husband to live with his wife.
Yes.
You get it? Make
Make
sure you get it.
Hey buddy. Anyway guys, how was it there?
It was a daily challenge.
It was a daily challenge
Yeah.
living with your daughter?
No, the minute you reach home, the challenge start.
Oh, that's good because the minute I reach home, I come back and walk in my bed. So she was alone with the kids. So it was a daily challenge.
End the vlog and come go your bed.
Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm sure she was so excited all day and she did so many amazing things.
What kind of excited?
I don't know.
for what?
I don't know. You say you have a
All
daily-
I did today was clean. I cleaned all afternoon.
That sounds fun. Yeah, because I'm sure you put some nice music and you clean like.
No, I just clean today, clear my mind. I didn't put no music at all.
Aww,
Me de-stress from you not
you have
home.
to clear your mind. So now your mind empty.
No, it start become full the minute you reach home.
She have a baby eye. She have a baby head. That's why. It's just one thing and it full. So it's just baby Ricky like this. Anyway, guys, well, I hope you had a good day. I had a good day, and tomorrow is the weekend about to start.
But
and
guess
we're gonna
who's
do a lot
going
of
to
things.
work tomorrow morning?
Me, myself, and I. Who else?
You and Jesus.
No,
They
just
have to
stay
go
at
to
home
work.
with you.
Jesus always stay at home with me. I don't
Yeah.
know about you. You guys, you have to go to work tomorrow,
I have
but
his angel with me.
you'll see when he get back home. So we're just gonna end
A lot
today's
of things
vlog.
we're gonna do this weekend.
Honey, they've been asking us for the Jamaican and French expression for the day. Tell them that it's not easy to give them the Jamaican and French expression of the day, especially when they want it with Tyler.
It's
You
not.
see, we have to have structure
Oh.
around here when it come on to the kids. And Tyler have to go to his bed a certain time in order for him to wake up in the morning and not be tired. And at that time, we don't end the vlog as yet. So right now, when we're ending the vlog, Tyler is in his bed long time ago. And it's not easy anymore to end the vlog at that time when Tyler is heading to bed.
But we need to try to find
But
back
we have to put it back in because it's our signature. It's our
some good
our thing.
expression.
Yeah, so we'll try and find a way to incorporate the expression in, but we'll just have to figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
If it means that we have to make it a priority that just before he goes to bed we do it, and then we come back and end the vlog just you and I, then we do that. But we have to go back to what it was. But we'll figure it out for you guys. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up
Thumbs up.
right now. Please, 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 please,
Thumbs
please.
up.
Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Catch and keep up with the fam bam. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
So I hang up.